The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, yet we've explored less than 5% of its depths. This mysterious world holds countless secrets, from unknown species to underwater volcanoes, sunken ships, and even clues about Earth's history. Enter underwater drones, also known as autonomous or remotely operated underwater vehicles, AUVs and ROVs, which are revolutionizing ocean exploration. These drones are equipped with advanced cameras, sensors, and robotic arms, allowing them to capture high-definition images, collect samples, and map the seafloor with incredible precision. Unlike traditional submarines, underwater drones can dive deeper, endure harsher conditions, and operate for extended periods without risking human lives. They are key players in uncovering marine biodiversity and even discovering new ecosystems around hydrothermal vents. In addition to scientific research, underwater drones are crucial in finding shipwrecks, like the Titanic or the recently discovered Endurance. They also play a significant role in environmental monitoring, tracking coral reef health, studying ocean currents, and assessing the impact of climate change. These drones help detect underwater pollution and provide critical data for conservation efforts, like mapping endangered habitats. Commercially, underwater drones are vital for inspecting offshore oil rigs, undersea cables, and pipelines, ensuring safety and efficiency in industries that depend on ocean resources. They also contribute to national security by monitoring naval operations and detecting potential threats. One of the most fascinating applications is their use in deep-sea treasure hunts and archaeology. From recovering ancient artifacts to exploring uncharted shipwrecks, underwater drones bring history to the surface, sparking curiosity and awe. The technology behind these drones is rapidly advancing. Modern models are becoming more autonomous, using AI to navigate complex underwater terrains and even work collaboratively in swarms for large-scale projects. They're also being developed to operate in extreme environments, from icy Arctic waters to volcanic vents. In the future, underwater drones will likely expand our understanding of the deep sea, uncovering resources, protecting marine life, and perhaps even unlocking clues about extraterrestrial life by studying Earth's most extreme ecosystems. These small yet powerful machines are redefining how we connect with the unexplored parts of our planet. American underwater drones are at the forefront, pushing the boundaries of